Hey guys, JC with Patriot Illumination here. I want to speak real quick about Ryan and 180 Sites and the website they just built for our Christmas light division. We are blown away by the results that Ryan produced. Absolutely. Could not ask for a better website. Real seamless, easy to navigate through. The graphics are amazing. It's real user friendly on web and desktop versions. I'll show you here real quick. Just got the awesome snowfall effect going on here. There we go. Everything we asked for. Got a couple of pages here, some services, our residential, commercial, wedding, and our radiant trees, locations. Contact form is got some new features that he's working on right now. But everything's just real simple, which we wanted because we wanted to be user friendly. Ryan just blew this thing away from the beginning. The communication, like I said, no issues at all. We're definitely going to be using him again for our other companies, and very, very happy. Highly recommend their services. It's just a very unique website, not like the typical templates that you get on WordPress and some of these other companies out there. So thank you again, Ryan, and we look forward to working with you again.